So just so you know what you're looking at, all the ones that say awesome hot sauce on it, my wife and I make here in San Diego. These are all of our mild, medium, and hot. And over here in the center panel is all of our extra hot. If you see anything you want to try, just let me know. Alright, so this one is called our Zinger. It's garbanzo beans and cumin. Tastes like a spicy hummus. It's like a medium hot. The Venom is cayenne, serrano, habanero, Thai chili pepper, Trinidad scorpion pepper, and smoked ghost pepper. Just hold onto your spoon in case you want to try something else. My employees always start off with our award winner, which is the Zinger. So this is our award winner. World Hot Sauce Award winner, garbanzo beans and cumin, tastes like a spicy hummus.
Why, hello there. This is Daniel with the Awesome Hot Sauce Store and the SemperFryLLC.com. It's been a while since I made a video for this channel. I'm usually busy working the store or stocking the shelves, making the sauce, you know, that sort of thing, and playing with my daughter. But since things have changed a little bit lately, I wanted to come to you with a couple things. First, I'm going to talk about some things that you might want to have on hand that you may not have thought about as far as health is concerned. And since we're on the topic and it's in everybody's mind, let's address that first. Okay, so a couple of these things are going to require some explanation because they seem a little odd at first. But trust me, from experience, firsthand, and from lots and lots and lots and lots of research, it passed my test. I am coming from the mind that I'm 100% sure of what I'm saying. That doesn't mean that you should be. That means that you should just maybe use that as a stepping off point to do your own research before you do whatever it is that you're going to do. So, first one, citric acid. Okay, now, everybody talks about vitamin C, which is great. Don't worry too much about, you know, the brand names or whatever, but just, you know what it is. Vitamin C, a pretty good grade of it, is ascorbic acid. Okay, people get that confused because citric acid has the word citrus in it, kind of, right? So you think, oh, well, that's C, citric, vitamin C. It's not the same thing, though. Vitamin C is like the confident chihuahua strutting his stuff. You know why he's so confident? Because this Doberman is standing right behind him, guarding him. So that's why. Citric acid, it'll knock out viruses left, right, and upside down. Stomach viruses, anything you can think of. We've been using it for everything. And we don't get sick anymore. So I just want everybody to know that citric acid is a thing. That bag I think I bought on Amazon, and it wasn't expensive. It may have been $8, it may have been $5, something like that. But it's a huge bag. It's like 5 pounds. The other thing I like, and this is the one that's going to require some explanation. Then don't get all freaked out because there's a G with a diamond in it. I don't think it's Freemasonic or anything, but this is turpentine. Now, turpentine is bastardized by the medical system because back in the day, before the Rockefellers took over everything, that stuff was the Merck designated cure for just about every ailment that was known to Merck at that time in 1899. Sorry, and previous years too in their publications. That stuff, anything that has to do with a parasite, because we don't really know what's going on. COVID could be found out later that it's a parasite, right? That stuff kills parasites. That's what it's most known for. It does other things too. UTIs, urinary tract infections, gets rid of those. There's a lot of things that you can look up about turpentine. If you look in the right places, there's still information to be found. The trouble is it's very suppressed because it's such a good thing that it would put some of the Rockefeller medicine out of business. So that's why you need to kind of do your research. There's Dr. Daniels, I think. If you look for her, she's really big on this. She has a lot of information about it. And let's see. So we did vitamin C. We did citric acid. We did turpentine. I didn't bring the apple cider vinegar out, but everybody knows what Bragg's looks like. It doesn't necessarily have to be with the mother still in it. And if it does have it, God, don't shake it before you drink it. I drink maybe 8 or 9 swallows of it, and then I put it down, a day. And that clears you out, too. You don't have to do as much as I do. It's just I kind of really like the way vinegar tastes because I'm Italian and I grew up with vinegar in all of our salads. Things just taste fresher to me because there's vinegar in it. Obviously, my hot sauces, they're shelf stable because of the vinegar, the apple cider vinegar that's in it. So, it's Ale, that's what we make. So yeah, we're gonna go through a couple of those too soon. So let's push this all other stuff aside now. We know some things to grab that you may not have thought about. The store is temporarily unavailable, but the website is going strong, and I'm at an alternate location facility, and we're still cranking things out very safely. And this stuff right here is the one I was talking about just before. I think the last video I mentioned this stuff. This is my keto sauce. Like, if you're keto or you're gluten-free or you're just zero carb type of intake person and no sugars, this sauce is coming out soon. Obviously, I can't get it there too quickly because I can't get the fresh peppers from Melissa's in LA right now until everything settles down. Once I do, I think their season, it actually starts up probably right around this time, or within a month. The peppers will be available again, because there's ghost pepper in this along with datil pepper. The datil pepper I can get, the ghost pepper I can't. But it will be out, and it will be that and probably 2 other different zero carb keto ones available. Once I know that I can get the supply in, I'll go out and get the labels for it, and we'll start cranking it out at the store. So just to recap, for people who are kind of new to this, our hottest sauce is the Untitled. The Untitled has a 3 million and a 6 million Scoville heat unit extract added to it. There's also ghost pepper and Thai in here. And there's a little cayenne because cayenne makes everything taste better. So this thing, I've been told by more than a dozen people directly at my store, people who've come in and have tasted this, said that it's hotter than the last dab from Hot Ones. Now, I know every season they change it, but these are recent customers saying that the last dab isn't as hot as this. So that's something that I don't get them lab tested to tell you what the Scoville heat rating is, but I can tell you that I use an extract that's 3 million and 6 at a 7-to-1 ratio to make it. So there you go. One of our crowd favorites, that is When Pigs Fly, applewood smoked bacon and maple syrup on it. This is going to be a limited supply until I know I can get back to the supply store, but we do have some on hand, so first come, first serve on that. We have, I made a mistake, and I have this marked right now on our website as sold out, because I just thought I was all out of the straight up G. This is other ghost pepper sauce, because I told you I can't get the fresh ghost peppers for a little while. There's 3 more bottles. This is one of them, so I'm going to put it back on the website as an inventory of 3, and again, first come, first serve on that, alright? Once I finish this video and process it, you'll get all that stuff updated. Brand X, blood orange, Muruga scorpion pepper. This guy is super, super spicy. It's one of the hottest sauces I make that don't have extract in it. Muruga scorpion pepper is like the father pepper of the Reaper. It's hybrided with another pepper to make the Reaper. But the Moruga is actually consistently more spicy because it's always right around 2 million, whereas the Reaper can be 1.6 million all the way up to 2.2, but it's not consistent. See? So there's a fluctuation there. Alright. If you guys know our store, this guy right here requires absolutely no introduction. That is our Venom. 6 peppers, cayenne, serrano, habanero, Thai chili pepper, Trinidad scorpion pepper, and smoked ghost pepper. And this is freaking delicious. And I'm not biased. No, but seriously. And then, Zeus juice. Now there's 2 different Zeuses. This one is called extra hot for the simple fact that I have one that has habanero and one that doesn't. So in order to designate the 2, I just made one say extra hot. It's not technically an extra hot sauce. It's just hotter than the other Zeus. So it's extra hot from that one. It makes sense? It's super delicious, very garlicky. Oh man, adds so much flavor to stuff. Alright, and now, what we got? Did I do the Better Believe It yet? I think I did. I think I held it up for a second. Better Believe It is like our traditional chicken wing style sauce. Now there's so many more on our website, guys. Just take a look. If you're a brand newbie, you just gotta look, see the descriptions, send me an email if you have questions about it. Oh, and this other one. This is one of their more eclectic tastes. This is called Awesome Padang. It's a Thai peanut sauce. And there's sesame oil and some soy sauce in it too to kind of make it like a good dipper sauce for like satay chicken or pad thai noodles. Like if you order your pad thai noodles from a Thai restaurant and then add a couple tablespoons to it and mix it up, it's super good. Super good. That's that pretty much. I'm going to keep it short. Website is going strong. We really appreciate that influx of internet orders, and we need something to keep us busy, and god damn it, we still have a lot of bills too. So we do appreciate it. I know everybody's going through some stuff. We're going through some stuff. Everybody's going through stuff. Let's be there for each other. If you guys think of things that you need help with or something like that, send me an email. I'll do what I can. If it's beyond my knowledge, I'll find a friend that does have it. And in the meantime, guys, let's keep the community strong. Be good to your neighbors, and do unto others as you would have them do unto you. We love you very much, and we're going to get through this, and we can do even tougher things together. Together we can do whatever. We can do whatever comes. It's when you aren't so together that the issues occur. Peace to everybody. I love you all. My family, Rebecca, baby Farah, we all love you. Thank you so much. Peace out. Come here. Come here. Come here.